Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a new essential oil scent, I would highly recommend looking into Rose Geranium. This one is by Artizen, and I love this smell. I find the smell of Rose Geranium to be very uplifting. It's a sweet and also relaxing smell. It's also very feminine at the same time. It came in 1 ounces, and I like that it came in 1 ounce because I find that I enjoy using essential oils in my diffuser, and I run out of them very easily. So I like that this came in a large amount. It came with a normal screw-on lid, but it also came with the dropper, and I like that because I find that it's easier to use. So what I'll do is I'll just put about 10 drops with water into my diffuser, and I'll let that diffuse throughout the room. I get a lot of comments from friends saying that they love this scent. They also mentioned the same thing. It's very relaxing and sweet smelling at the same time. So if you're looking for a different scent, maybe you're tired of a typical lavender or mint, I would highly recommend looking into Rose Geranium. It's a beautiful smell. I really like it, and it's by Artizen. I think it's a great product. That's my point of view.